How are you? Dave Rodinelli with MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you for a quick walkthrough on this pre-owned 2022-21 Montauk. Starting in the aft, this boat is equipped with the optional Mercury Verado 200. This boat also has the optional rear seats. This boat has the stereo system with JL audio. This has the reversible pilot seat, so you can use this as a leaning post. And underneath there, you do have an ample amount of storage, tackle drawers. Really great setup. This boat, you'll notice, has the Teak package. So you've got the Teak footrest there and the Teak on the entry port and starboard. At the helm, boat is equipped with Raymarine Electronics package, fusion radio, digital controls for your Mercury, and of course digital throttle and shift. And this does have the optional Lenco trim tabs as well as the Raymarine VHF. So really well equipped helm. This boat does have the optional T-top, and it is the fiberglass T-top, so not the lace-on. Obviously, you've got a small bladder bag for your life jackets. And as you come over here on the starboard side, you are going to have the optional pump-out head. And coming forward, this boat does have the bow cushions. They are not in so that they don't get beat up by the weather, but it does have full bow cushions. It does have the fish pack with the cooler and the backrest, and the optional split bow rail, so you can tell. Again, this is a really nicely gently used 2022-21 Montauk. It is here at MarineMax Boston. For more information, please call me at 401-569-3874 or visit us at marinemax.com.